What is emotional fitness? Hi, I'm Angel. You can call me Auntie Angel. And this episode is brought to you by my company, Sleeping Dragons Company. Check out our relaxing blend over in our Etsy store. There's a link down there. Fitness is often thought of more related to physical fitness, but I think it applies to our mental fitness, our financial fitness, and our emotional fitness. And emotional fitness is a topic that I've been writing about for some months now, and I'm ready to start talking about. Let's talk about, in general, what is fitness. It's flexibility, it's resilience, it's strength, it's the ability to make it through a scenario, right? With hopefully with ease, with joy, with bliss. All those come under the umbrella of what I would call fitness. And it's a good time to point out that fitness is not a destination, it's a process, just like wellness, just like love. It's not like you just get to being fit and then ta-da, you're there forevermore. It's an ongoing thing that takes continual updating. I'd love to know, what do you think about that?